Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you all fine. I am Maria from Alliance High School and I am your teacher of SST. Students, in our last lecture, in our previous lecture, we have learned some rules for staying healthy and safe. In our today's lecture, we will learn about how we can keep ourselves healthy. Our today's topic is staying healthy. Students, first of all, to keep ourselves healthy, to stay healthy, we must have to clean ourselves. We must have to keep ourselves clean. The first thing is that by applying, we must have to keep ourselves clean. The second thing is that we must clean our surrounding. Clean our surrounding, not throw rubbish on the road, not litter your school, ground, eat healthy food, drink boiled water and take a lot of exercise. These are the rules that by applying these rules we can keep ourselves healthy. The first rule is that to keep yourself clean. Students, you must have to keep yourself clean by staying healthy. The second rule is that clean our surrounding, and also you must keep your surrounding clean. You do not throw rubbish on the road, on the streets, or on the at your homes. And the next one is not throw rubbish on the road. To keep your surrounding clean, do not throw rubbish on the streets. To keep your surrounding clean, eat healthy food. You must use healthy food, boiled water and lot of exercise by staying healthy. These are rules. By applying these rules we can keep ourselves healthy. The next topic is that staying safe. Staying safe. How we can keep ourselves safe? Here is two things. The first one is at outside. How we can keep ourselves safe at outside, and the second one is at home. Students, here is why saying look before you leap. What is the meaning of that look before you leap? This tells us that we have look carefully before doing anything. We have be careful by saying, by doing, by do anything. We have to be careful. The first rule is that look at the picture. What are these two boys are doing? These are doing we do not go outside alone, because accidents happens by the carelessness. If we are not careful, we will hurt by a car or by a bicycle. So we do not go alone on the road, and we have to stay at home by keep ourselves safe. The second picture is that these are the signs of traffic, and these signs are zebra crossing. So if you cross the road, you must use zebra crossing, and you must use zebra crossing and pay attention on the signs of the road. How we can cross the road? Students, first of all, by crossing the road, first of all you look at left side, then right. Sorry, first of all you look at right side, then left, and then right again, and then cross the road. By applying these rules, you have keep yourself safe. Now the next, at how we keep ourselves safe at home. At home, you don't throw anything on the floor. If you throw things on the floor, you hit them, and you can hurt yourself. And also, don't touch bare wires of electrical items. If you touch them, they can kill you. Electrical shock can kill you. And also, you don't use matches at homes. Matches can burn you. By applying these rules, you can keep yourself safe at home and at your outside. Now students, look at the pictures. Now students, look at the picture. Electrical shocks can kill you. Don't touch bare wires and the electrical items because electrical shock can kill you. Now students, look at the pictures. Here are some pictures. These things are useful and also for harmful. They can useful. We use these things at our homes, and if you don't use them carefully, they can harm us. The first picture is that these are the medicinal syrup. These are the medicinal syrup. These are sweet in taste, but these used for a special cureness, means for cough syrup for use coughing, and flu syrup for use for flu. But if we use it uncarefully, these sweet syrup can harm us. And the next one is, this is the shaving blade, and this one is used for removing hairs, but if we don't use it carefully, it can harm us. And this one is scissor. And what are the uses of scissor? Scissor is used for cutting papers, for cutting cloths, and for cutting any shopping bag. But if we don't careful by using the scissor, they can cut our skin. It can harm ourselves. The next one is, this one is knife. Knife is used for cutting vegetables, for cutting fruits, and if we don't use it carefully, they can harm ourselves. They can cut our skin, they can cut our fingers and also our arm. And so we use these things carefully by keep ourselves safe. Now students, I will recall my lecture. In our today's lecture, we have learned about the staying healthy and safe. Here is the rules for staying healthy. The first one is that how we keep ourselves healthy. The first one is that we must clean ourselves, and we also must clean our surrounding. We don't throw rubbish on the roads, on the streets, or at our homes. And by staying healthy, we must use healthy food, boiled water, and lot of exercise to keep ourselves healthy. Now, how we can stay safe? First of all, at home, first of all at outside, how we can save ourselves? We don't go outside alone, because accidents happens by carelessness. If we are not careful, we can harm ourselves. And the second one is use zebra crossing by crossing the road. Pay attention on the signs of the road. First of all, by crossing the road, you can look right side, then left, and then right again, and then cross the road. At home, don't throw anything on the floor. By these things can hit you, and you can slip. And also don't touch bare wires. Don't use electrical items, because electrical shock can kill you. And also we learn that some things are very useful, but they also have they also have harmful for us. Here's the things, some things that you can see that these are useful. Medicinal syrup useful for us by curing us, but if we don't use them carefully, they can harm us. And the shaving blade, they also useful for us, and they also cut ourselves. This one is scissor. Scissor is used for cutting cloths and papers, but if we don't careful, it can harm ourselves. And knife, usually we use at home, at kitchen, by cutting vegetables and fruits. But if we don't careful, they can cut our fingers and cut our arms also. I hope the whole lecture is clear to you. Now students, here is the assignment for you. Make the list of some electrical things or other things that are useful for ourselves, and that are also harmful for ourselves. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Take care.